In this tutorial I will show you how to add or change profile picture on Discord app. This works on Android and iOS devices. Open the app on an Android or iPhone. Tap on three lines at top left. Tap your profile on the bottom right. Tap My Account. Click the plus sign next to your profile picture on the top left. If this is the first time you've uploaded a profile picture, Discord will ask you for two permissions, to access your camera and your photos and videos. Tap Allow on these options to proceed. Choose an image. And tap Upload. You can resize or center the image as you see fit. You might need a few tries to get it to the ideal Discord profile picture size. Click the Save at the bottom right when you're satisfied.